Let's start from how did you guys meet?
Nobody knows this story.
Who cares? We're married now. It's not like people are going to like.
Okay.
What will they do? Undo the marriage? Eh? That can't happen anymore. No.
Okay. Lakshmi's birth, it happened on 8th October 1993. I was always the good kid. She's very mischievous. She's very, very mischievous.
When he was born as a baby, I had the excitement like any mother.
He's a notorious boy.
I was.
Also very, very naughty and mischievous.
I still am actually.
He never listens to anyone.
I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing.
Once he wants to do something,
I think my immediate response to that is to do it
he will do it.
because I need to know why.
We would still end up doing fist fights sometimes,
We used to fight a lot,
which is very stupid because I'm so much older to him. But that's just to say that he was a crazy child.
I got a notification one day on a dating app that somebody from Delhi swiped. I was confused because I know how these things work. Like it's a limited radius. You can only swipe like say 10, 20, 30 kilometers around you. So from Minnesota to Delhi was I couldn't see. I ended up paying for the premium plan to see who it was. At first I thought it was somebody crazy and turns out it was, but yeah.
My parents were very keen on getting me married. They were showing me profiles every other day. So one random day I was like, I will show you a profile, and then it turned out to be very simple. After that they did not, it was very easy. All my dad said is, okay, give me his dad's number. That's how it was. Though we were like scared how this conversation would go, it was quite simple.
किसी मंजर पर मैं रुका नहीं, कभी खुद से भी मैं मिला नहीं, ये गिला तो है मैं खफा नहीं, शहर एक से गांव एक से लोग एक से नाम एक फिर से चला मिट्टी जैसे सपने ये किताबी पलकों से झाड़ो फिर आ जाते हैं.
Like a river carves its way through the mountain, she slowly wore me down. And here we are, five and a half years later.
And I think Lakshmi is a great thing that has happened to him because he's still that little bit of a boy inside him. The boy needs a good woman. I think Lakshmi completes him in that way.
Recently, my sister said, oh, he's a goal in his life.
that one day he would come up with such an idea and a proposal.
So after a couple of months, she said, "Oh, she's a Tamil girl. Okay, no problem."
And we were very much willing to accept whatever he proposed because we always knew that he was sensible.
The final word is he likes her, he loves her. I said, "Go ahead, that's it."
The moment you dial the 9, what did you feel?
Finally. Just that one word. Finally. Look, I'm not gonna lie, okay? We were in a long distance, we are in a long distance relationship. And
Please.
it's a little difficult sometimes.
मर्ज़ है दवा भी पर आदत है हमें रोका है खुद को लेकिन हम रह ना सके तेरी लहरों में आकर ऐसे हम बहे ले डूबी जा रही हैं गहराइयाँ हमें
One of the main things that we discussed that came up when we were getting married was that thank God we don't have to at least do this anymore. Right? That's the first thought in my head was finally it's over. I don't have to ask anybody, I don't have to tell anybody, and we are our own person now essentially.
तू लो भी है हवा भी कुछ जले हम कुछ बहे तुझ में समाए ऐसे धुआं धुआं हुए लहरों की जिद है ऐसी लहरों में बहे ले डूबी जा रही है
As a mother, I miss her a lot. But so she is away from her college itself. So I used to it, even though now I'm feeling little far away from me, physically and mentally and heartfully.
We could see the glint and the joy in their eyes, and that made us also joyous. We felt that they are just made for each other.
Not only we, all the guests who have come, they said the same thing, made for each other. Only one sentence.
तुम समझोगी कि क्यों हम करीब नहीं काश कभी तुम जानोगी कि अब तक है तेरी कमी
What he gave is going to come back. I am the artist.
You are the what?
Artist.
I want you to please ask.
Okay, can I please?
Was that so hard? Very good. It's too small. I want a bigger mirror. I want a bigger mirror. Look at me. I'm 6 foot. This mirror is barely like. My hand also is not visible.
Did you see?
I cannot see anything.
ఆయనకి మూడు వాటి కాలుతుంటారు.
This is fourth time. This is fourth time. Although I also did it twice to put the metal. Thrice actually because we removed it for that ring activity. So we are even. Do not cite the deep magic to me. I was there when it was written.
तुम्हारे पास आज सपोर्ट है.
आज नहीं होगा.
ये लोग उनसे
तो
पूछ लो आज.
तो जब है
support कर रहे हैं.
तो जब है तभी यूज करेंगे ना. जब नहीं है तो हम वॉर पे आएंगे ही नहीं. We will sign a peace treaty.
Okay, I have some rice. Can you give me some dal?
Why?
I will make dal chawal.
Why? I much rather eat the dal, no? Less carbs, more protein.
உங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் விட்டுடலாம். நீங்க ரெண்டு பேர் தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. You don't need help.
Very nice. Not that was what I was supposed to do. They gave me a mirror. I'm supposed to look into it.
Very nice.
Excellent. That's the beauty of it. Subtle, underappreciated. You can withdraw your feet. But we were 3 all. Now I am 2 ahead. You make the call because you were flaunting that 3 all very nicely, saying I did it 3 times. Now you've done it 5 times. I've done it 3 times. Now you decide what you want to do. You either live with it or you give me so that we get even.
But I helped you.
This is not fair. I am not balanced. Okay, unfortunately, I don't know a lot of Tamil songs, so I will sing a Hindi song. कोई साया झिलमिलाया रात के पिछले पहर कोई साया झिलमिलाया रात के पिछले पहर फिर मुझे वो याद आया रात के पिछले पहर कोई साया झिल